In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to initialize GPU error in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get your software up and running smoothly again. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have Davinci Resolve 18 installed on your computer. Navigate to the Davinci Resolve application on your system. You might have the shortcut on your desktop, or you can find it in your list of programs by searching in the Start menu or Application Launcher depending on your operating system. Once you've opened Davinci Resolve, you'll be greeted with the Project Manager screen. Here you'll want to click on a project you're facing issues with. If you're starting fresh, you can simply create a new project. This will bring you to the main interface of Davinci Resolve. Now go ahead and navigate to the Edit page. You can find this at the bottom of your screen, usually in a row of different workspace options. The Edit page is crucial as it's basically where most of your video editing tasks will happen, but right now it's our step toward resolving this GPU issue. With the Edit page open, your next step is to find the Davinci Resolve tab. It's typically located in the top left corner of your screen. This is where you access a lot of primary settings and preferences of the software. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Preferences. Click on Preferences and you'll be brought to the Settings menu where you can adjust various options to suit your needs. Now that you're in the Preferences menu, it's time to focus on the key area of interest, memory and GPU. This tab allows you to manage memory settings and troubleshoot GPU related issues, which is exactly what we need to do here to solve our problem. So go ahead and click on Memory and GPU. Here you have options related to your system's memory and GPU configuration. Check the settings related to your GPU to ensure it's correctly recognized and configured. Sometimes the issue arises because Davinci Resolve cannot properly detect your GPU, and you might need to manually select your graphics card from a list provided here. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, apply the changes and restart Davinci Resolve to see if the issue has been resolved. With these steps, you should be back on track to edit and work on your projects without that pesky error message getting in the way. I hope this solution helps you get back to your creative work without further interruptions. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.